Today, I'm going to share with you an amazing X-Mix story, a tale filled with magic, creativity, and love. And while we dive into this beautiful story, I will also show you how simple, cheap, and handmade X-Mix decoration can turn any corner of your home into pure wonder. So sit back, relax, and let the heartwarming world of X-Mix craft begin. Once upon a time, Once upon a winter evening in a small village covered with soft snow lived a little girl named Arya. Arya loved one thing more than anything else, crafting with her hands. Her house was tidy. Her family was not rich, but Arya believed that beauty is not bought, it is created. Every year, people in her village decorated huge Xmas trees with expensive ornaments, but Arya never felt sad about not having those things. Instead, she would whisper to herself, magic lives in the hands that create, not in the money that buys. And this year, this Xmas, Arya decided to make something the whole village would remember. Arya went outside with a small basket and collected twig, pinecone, jute thread, old ribbons, and leftover paper. While others rushed to big shops, she walked through nature, smiling at every tiny treasure she found. And this is where her craft journey begins too. Let's start with a simple Xmas craft. Take twigs from your backyard. Tie them in jute rope. Add a few tiny pine cones. Finish with a touch of glitter. Even the simplest material, when joined with love, transform into magic. That night, a gentle wind blew across the village. Arya sat near the candlelight, arranging her twigs into shapes. Suddenly, an idea sparkled in her heart. What if I made a whole X-Mix tree, but not from wood, not from plastic, not from money, but from twig, jute, and love? She placed a long twig in the center and started attaching smaller ones, creating a soft triangle shape slowly, carefully. Her X-Mix twig tree came alive. You can make your too. Take a long stick for the center, create branches using smaller twigs, wrap the structure with jute thread and handmade paper crafts. Use recycled bottle caps as ornaments, add fairy lights if you want a magical glow. This cheap, beautiful farmhouse style X-Mix tree costs almost nothing but looks priceless. Hour passed, an Arya tiny room filled with handmade treasures. She made twig stars, jute wrapped hearts, paper snowflakes, pinecone angels, glitter bottles, cap bells. Every decoration carried a piece of her heart. But the most beautiful part, she was not making these for herself. She planned to surprise her village, a place where everyone believed magic came only from expensive stores. Arya wanted to show them that true X-Mix spirit lives in creativity, kindness, and giving. On that night before Xmas, Arya carried her handmade tree to the center of the village. Snow was falling softly, lanterns were glowing, and people gathered around curious. When Arya placed her twig Xmas tree on the stone platform, everyone gasped. It was simple, it was humble, but it was breathtaking. Children touched the jute ornaments with wonders. Mother admired the recycled decoration. Father smiled, realized beauty doesn't need money, just imagination. The village chief walked forward and asked gently, "Child, where did you buy such a beautiful tree?" Arya smiled and whispered, "I did not buy it, I made it." And then, as if the universe wanted to bless her children, a soft golden light spread across the square. The fairy lights on the tree flickered, reflecting on the snow, and for a moment everyone felt something magical. Not magic from a store, not magic from a box, but magic from the heart. That night, the villager realized something. Xmas is not about decoration you buy, it's about meaning, memories you create, dreams you're built, and the love you share. From that day, Arya's handmade Xmas tree became a tradition.